Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology, the high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone. This particular model is presented as an ultra-lightweight option designed for advanced video transmission, coming in a sleek black finish. Right off the bat, one of the standout features highlighted is its state-of-the-art 0.3 video transmission system. This is a significant point for FPV pilots, as 0.3 is known for delivering incredibly crystal-clear visuals, which is crucial for an immersive and precise flying experience, especially when navigating tight spaces or capturing high-quality footage. Underneath its compact frame, this drone is equipped with a highly efficient Taker G435 AIO flight system. This is paired with powerful 4500 kV motors. This combination suggests that despite its small size, this quadcopter is built for performance, offering responsive handling and sufficient power for various maneuvers. The all-in-one flight system simplifies the build and maintenance, which is often appreciated in smaller drones. For those who value navigation capabilities, this drone includes integrated GPS. This feature allows for precision navigation and is noted for rapid satellite acquisition. GPS can be incredibly useful for features like return-to-home functions or simply knowing your drone's exact location, adding a layer of safety and versatility to its operation. The design itself is emphasized as compact and lightweight. Its dimensions are approximately 4.5 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches, making it quite small and portable. The description specifically mentions that its design meets FAA standards, which is a key consideration for pilots in regions where these regulations apply. Being lightweight also contributes to its agility and potentially longer flight times, depending on the battery used, though battery details aren't provided here. Capturing smooth video is also addressed. The drone incorporates advanced anti-shake technology, further enhanced by a camera damping ball. This system is designed to minimize vibrations and jello effect in the footage, aiming for stable and professional-looking video output even during dynamic flight. Constructed primarily from plastic, the drone is designed to be durable, yet keep the weight down. It comes with the camera included, ready for FPV flying and recording. It's positioned for an adult age range, suggesting it's not a toy but a serious piece of FPV equipment. Overall, this high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone appears to pack a lot of advanced features into a very small and lightweight package. From its high-quality 0.3 video link and capable flight system to its integrated GPS and anti-shake camera setup, it seems designed to offer a high-performance FPV experience in a compact form factor that adheres to important standards like FAA regulations. It presents itself as a compelling option for FPV enthusiasts looking for a small, capable, and feature-rich quadcopter.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.